Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Land Rover Defender 110 3.0 D350 MHEV X Dynamic HSE 4-wheel drive. This vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission, is ULEZ compliant, is finished in Woolstone Green. To start off with, then you have your matrix LED headlights with signature daytime running lights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those low light conditions. Along with 22-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels with a gloss black finish, really complementing the Woolstone Green exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. You also have fixed side steps, helping you to either leave or gain entry to the vehicle. As we move to the rear of the vehicle, you can find the full-size 22-inch 5-spoke spare wheel. And as we open up, you can see you've got a substantial amount of load space. You could easily travel with anything you may need to take with you, including large suitcases. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the Resist khaki and ebony leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. The driver's seat in this vehicle is electronically adjustable, and as well as this, it is also a memory seat, so you can resume your natural driving position whenever you enter the vehicle. To enhance your listening experience on any journey, you also have the Meridian surround sound system. And this vehicle features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have everything you may need, including hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control. And you also have a head-up display, which is a brilliant safety feature, as it allows you to see the speed you are travelling at without taking your eyes off the road. Taking a look at your 13.1 infotainment system, you are able to see that it has everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible. You also have your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to, along with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go. You also have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, which allows you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst on the go. As well as this, you also have your 4x4 information, as well as your different terrain driving modes, making this vehicle suited for most terrain, ideal for any off-road adventures that you may be planning in the near future. Moving to your camera, you do in fact have your off-road camera, making it ideal for those adventures you may have, along with your normal 360 view camera, which allows you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust airflow and airflow direction. You also have front heated seats, which is a luxury to have. This has been a presentation on the Land Rover Defender 110 3.0 D350 MHEV X Dynamic HSE 4-wheel drive that's now available to purchase. For more information, please contact our sales team.